Welcome student on another video lecture. Today's topic is chemical classification of crude drug. So here in chemical classification of crude drugs are divided according to the chemical nature. What is the chemical nature of that particular important constituent which are present in the drug? According to that they are classified. So there are different classes of chemical classes of classification of crude drug under chemical classification. In that first one is alkaloids. Alkaloids, from the name itself we can say that alkaloid means those compounds which are alkali like, and main important thing is that the nitrogen base is always present in heterocyclic ring. These are heterogeneous compound and having a nitrogen in its heterocyclic ring. And the drugs which comes under this group is Datura, Vasaka, Vinca, Lobelia. All these are the alkaloids. After that, next class is glycoside. Glycoside means those compound having glucose side chain, they are known as glycoside. Here again there are two moieties, a glycon moiety and a glycon moiety, and these two are attached by means of a glycosidic linkage. And the drugs which comes under glycoside is Cascara, Senna, Digitalis. Next group is tannins. These are the complex organic compounds, generally which it contains polyphenol, and that means it contains a phenyl ring, but it does not contain nitrogen. It is devoid of nitrogen. Nitrogen is not present. And the drugs which comes under tannin is Katechu, Myrobalan, Ashoka. Next group is volatile oil. Volatile oil, these are the odorous principle which are made up of terpenes and oxygenated compound of terpenes. Terpene, the basic building block is C5H8, and these are vaporized at room temperature. The example of drugs which comes under class volatile oil is clove, eucalyptus and cinnamon. After that, lipids, example is castor oil, beeswax, arachis oil. Carbohydrates and derived product. Carbohydrates are the compounds which are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Different monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides are the different classes of that carbohydrates. And the drugs which comes under carbohydrates are acacia, agar, honey, linseed, tragacan, starch. All these are the drugs which comes under carbohydrate. Resins, example is colophony or benzoin. Resins, these are again the complex organic mixture which is made up of essential oil, carboxylic acid and oxygenated products of or oxygenated compounds of terpene, and these are obtained from by giving incision on the trunk of the trees. These are collected as a exudate. After that, vitamins and hormones, example is yeast, shark liver oil, insulin. All these comes under vitamins and hormones. Proteins and enzyme, example is gelatin and papain. All these are the different classes which are formed, and under different these classes or different heads, large number of drugs we are going to study. Now, advantages: chemical constituents are known. When we are classifying the drug according to the chemical nature, then naturally the chemical constituents are known, which type of chemical constituents are present in large amount or large proportion, and what are the medicinal uses of that particular compound. That we can easily study from chemical classification of crude drug. After that, disadvantages: drugs of different origin are grouped under similar chemical titles. So those drugs which are having different origins, some are from plant origin, some are from animal or mineral origin, but here what is the origin of that particular drug, that will not consider. Only the chemical nature of that drug is under consideration. For that reason, those drugs which are having different origin, they are also come under same group or same title. This type of classification makes no proper placement of drugs containing two different types of chemical. So if the drug contain two different type of chemical, for example the drug Syngona, which contains both alkaloid as well as glycoside, so it is very difficult to make a proper placement of Syngona, whether it should be under alkaloid or whether it should be under glycoside, under which heading or which chemical group it should be considered. That is very difficult if it contains both type of chemical constituent. Fixed oil and volatile oil of nutmeg are of equal importance together and very difficult to categorize them properly, because nutmeg contains both fixed oil as well as volatile oil. So nutmeg should be placed under volatile oil group, or it should be under lipid, that is fats fixed oil group. So in that case, these are the disadvantages. It is very difficult to classify such drugs. Next classification is taxonomical classification of crude drug. In this system, the drugs are arranged according to the taxonomical studies. According to the taxonomical study, simple botanical classification, that is according to the which phylum, which order, which family, which genus, which species, according to that the drugs are classified. It is purely a botanical classification or biological classification, and hence restricted to classification of crude drug only from plant sources. Those crude drug from animal sources or mineral sources that would not be classified by this taxonomical classification, because it will consider only it is a botanical classification, and it will consider the plant source, that which phylum, which order, which family or genus and species it comes from. Now here example is given, that is Angiosperm monocotyledonous, order is Liliflori, Liliaceae is the family, and the drugs which comes under that is Colchicum, Asparagus, Dioscorea, Vanilla. Microspermy is the order, family is Dioscoreaceae. After that Angiosperm with dicotyledonous, Papaver family, Papaveris is the order, and the drug is opium. Rosalis family, and almond rose oil is the drugs which comes under that. Rosalis order, in that Leguminosae family is there, and the drug is Glycyrrhiza and Senna. Rutelis, Rutaceae family, and the drug is lemon and orange. Rhamnelis, Rhamnaceae family, Cascara is the drugs which comes under that. Malvelis is the order, Malvaceae is the family, and the example is cotton. Umbelliferi is the family, and coriander, caraway, fennel, all these drugs which comes under Umbelliferi family. Gentianalis is the order, Loganaceae, Gentianaceae, Apocynaceae, all these families they come under order Gentianalis, and the drugs which comes under that is Naxomica, Cherata, Curchi, Stropanthus, all these are the drugs which comes under. So in this way the drugs are classified according to the phylum, order, family and species. Now advantages, each of the classification of crude drug, it is easy for classification of crude drug. You can easily classify the crude drug. Disadvantages, the system is criticized for its failure to recognize the organized and unorganized nature of crude drug in their morphological study. So whether the drug is organized or unorganized, what is the nature of that drug, that is not considered in this classification. So this was the disadvantage or failure of this classification. Another is system failed to face into an account chemical nature of active constituent and therapeutic significance of crude drug, because we are classifying the crude drug. It is not a simple botanical classification, because it is a classification of crude drug. So the main purpose of crude drug is its therapeutic effect. and what are the constituents which are giving that particular effect. So these 2 points are very important when the drugs are used for medicinal purposes. For that reason, it will fail to give the information about the active constituent and therapeutic significance of the drug. This was the disadvantage. The drug obtained from plant having alternate leaves, flowers, seeds, capsule, for example, Hyoscyamus, Datura, Belladonna, Stramonium, all are considered with other members of Solanaceae family. So all these drugs they will also consider with other members of this family, that is Solanaceae, because all these drugs they comes under the family Solanaceae, and all other drugs apart from this they are also combined with this classification. So all these are the disadvantages of taxonomical classification of crude drug. So if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.